Okay, let's try a problem from chapter 16. Microwaves used in laboratory experiments often have a wavelength of about 1 centimeter. What is the frequency of these waves? Alright, let's write out the knowns and unknowns. I know the wavelength is 1 centimeter. Okay. The frequency, I'm going to use a fancy F for frequency, is, we don't know what that is. The unit on frequency, though, should be 1 over second. So it's 1 over second. Well, that's all we're given. That's all we know. So let's write out an equation that has wavelength and frequency in it. Well, I know for electromagnetic radiation, C, the speed of light, or the speed of any electromagnetic radiation, microwaves is electromagnetic radiation, is equal to the wavelength times the frequency. Well, we know what C is. That's a constant. Light is the fastest thing that man has found so far, and it's always about 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. So we have two of the three variables. So we can find the unknown variable. We can find this frequency. Okay. Before we do that, let's inspect the units here. We have centimeter, 1 over second, and meters per second. Let's convert this 1 centimeter to meters. Alright, so you're going to take 1 divided by 100. So for every 1 centimeter, you have 0.01 meters. Let's write that in there instead. Okay, so now we want to rearrange the equation to solve for frequency. Let's divide by wavelength on both sides. That cancels out with that, so we have the speed of light divided by the wavelength of this microwave is equal to its frequency. We have, to inspect the units, we have meter over second divided by meter. Meter cancels out with meter, and you're left with 1 over second. That's the unit we wanted. So all you gotta do is take 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second divided by 0.01, and that will get you your frequency in 1 over second. Okay, let's try another problem.